Yeah.
There you go.
All right.
There you go. Oh.
She looks a little weathered.
Yeah, that needs to go. Where's the other bolt that came out?
We don't know where that one was. That may have been taken out in a different phase.
Well, that's going to be water outlet. Gotta do those too and get this crossover.
This thing?
No.
Or no, these two?
Yeah, just pull it off. We'll deal with the rest of it.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that's all part of
Yeah,
this
do that. And give that a home.
Yeah. This is 9/16.
Were you going postal on that postal box?
Are you going to put a cat in there or
You
something?
went postal on the postal box?
Oh.
I said it was Serial Killer 101.
Yeah.
I got the low one.
That works.
We're going to draw it now. We shove these rods in these tight holes.
Oh,
No,
God,
this is the
Andre.
front. This is the front.
Look at that. You're marking it in its own blood.
Well, that reminds me, Conan the Barbarian is leaving in a couple of days, I think. Netflix.
Really?
The classic Conan with Schwarzenegger.
Oh.
Oh, the 70s one?
Yeah.
That's when his girl died.
That's the best one.
Oh, I like the Destroyer.
No, I'm all about the first one. Anything blow away?
The dude is throwing out.
Yeah, see? Oh, wrong way.
Other way.
Other way.
What's-
I'm happy I taught them the hillbilly ways of life.
Yeah.
Leverage.
Don't fuck it up.
I hope you're not talking to me.
No.
We're good.
No, I'm
Not
just
yet.
giving Grant a hard time.
Oh, that's on
Yeah,
there.
you look like
Yeah,
you're having a good
that
time
one's
out there.
Seen some. It looks like it's different than all the other ones too. So
Studded.
Just perfect.
Well, it goes in the water.
Every
so-
launching, nobody was on the lake. Boat ran like a top.
whoa, there's something.
That might be.
That sounded
That was
good. Yeah, that was a happy sound.
Or it broke the bolt,
Yeah.
whatever.
I thought it broke, but
If
yeah,
it did, it will drill it
Yeah,
out.
it broke free.
good deal.
Oh, no, it probably broke. Did it break the end off it?
No.
That's 16.
Yeah, it did.
Yep, it's
Yeah.
fine.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wah, 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 wah.
That looks
It's okay.
Oh my God, you broke it.
Don't tell
Oh,
Mark.
wait a minute.
Right.
Mark, look at that.
He broke
it's
it.
dead. We're putting an LS in it.
With twin turbos
All right, so this should just pry off of there.
and a shot of nuts.
What was it that broke off?
The one of these bolts, it was studded in there.
Studded and it's rusted.
Yeah, it's peacock. Yeah.
All right, someone bang this loose.
For the water.
Gently bang the.
on the up here.
Gently.
Very gently.
Or like maybe up this part where the.
No, no, no. Nice, Andre. Thanks. Thanks for the commentary.
Oh, it's not still attached on that.
Water crossover.
This isn't attached on that.
Is the bottom attached?
It does attach. It's supposed to slide
Yeah,
up.
because with these,
Well, no, it's just like it's resting on it.
oh, see,
But it's O-ring.
It looks like it's just resting.
It's like a.
Oh, no, the water would come through the pump then, right?
It's like a Cadillac, Chuck.
Oh,
You
it's
know how
all
they have the.
silicone to death.
Oh yeah, that thing's got more silicone than.
Why would that be like?
Andre.
Do we have a flashlight?
Okay, more silicone than Andre.
Go get this.
I was gonna
this
say-
soft mallet.
Grant,
I'll
is it a
get it.
flashlight?
Pamela Lee, but
Yeah.
Oh, God, it wasn't that much.
This is.
you know, it's got more silicone than Pamela Lee and more coke than
Oh,
Whitney.
yeah.
Remember when Houston was
then
flooding
where
a
does-
couple of years ago, and there was a picture of Houston downtown, and Whitney says, "Which one will survive underwater longer?"
Oh.
And it was like right after Whitney Houston died.
Oh.
Horrible.
Yeah,
I
but
laughed.
it's
I
to
laughed,
the-
but we're gonna get thumbs down for that. Oh well.
But I wonder if it. That's the thermostat.
Yes, and this
So-
goes on here, but when
Yeah.
you put it in, it's got to slide down into
It
there
slides
as
onto
well,
that, so-
because
So we need to come
the
up
water
then.
pump comes into that. Yeah, you
So
need to like
so we need to go up.
work it up. But the problem is we have that. How far back is that stud broken off?
Oh, it's way in there.
But you might be able to bang it from this side and flop it up and
Yeah,
out.
just a little flopping.
What are we doing?
We're flopping and banging.
We gotta go up
have to bang
because
it.
the.
Do you want to bang and flop?
thermostat goes into that water pump
Is
there.
that like a bend-in snap?
Is the water pump right there?
That's moving.
No. No, it goes into the housing.
No, that's.
But the water goes in there, Chuck. It's
Because
sealed.
yeah, you
through
can
the
see here down
cover.
below. There's a it's connected down in there.
It seals the timing cover. So you got to bang
So
it
it's gotta
up
be popped up.
to get it off. Chuck's like,
Out and up.
I'm gonna do it this way anyway.
No, I gotta loosen it up first.
Are you banging it for fun?
There we go.
Something moved.
There it goes. It's wiggling. Pull!
Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
It's a 7 piece.
Woo!
So big.
Work it, girl.
Yeah, that broken piece probably won't need it.
Yeah, that's.
How far? No, that should
It's,
be.
yeah, it's far enough back. I think we'd be all right.
I think I'm okay.
You just need to get it out like quarter of an inch, and then she'll be.
Quarter of an inch?
Chuck.
That's like a half a mile.
Chuck, bang it harder.
Look at all that rust.
There you go. Harder. Harder.
Oh, shush.
I was just waiting for the reaction. I'm glad you appreciate me being filthy all of the time. It's great.
Oh, me?
No, Grant. He's always laughing at me being obscenely horrible.
Oh, you never stop.
Which
No.
one was Luke? Go ahead.
That's how we roll.
Yeah.
What's usually not
Dig it in there.
Yeah. Oh, it's Sunday mornings are this way too.
If you're missing it, you gotta hit it from.
Let's get my mom in on this. She's all about it. She could get real bad. All right, needs a little bang bang on the bang bang boogie.
Nothing frustrates me when
Nothing frustrates me more than somebody putting 40 gallons of silicone on stuff.
well, that too.
Well, that's a bunch
Oh,
of
I'm fine with that.
There you go.
Oh, there we go.
It's a wiggle waggle.
There you go.
Oh,
And it's off.
Look at that. Freedom.
Paul, hold it up like you won.
You won.
There you
more
go.
silicone for you, Bobby.
There you go.
Oh, right.
Let's see how yucky this is.
It's not.
Ooh. Allie, are we doing dual cam? Dual cam.
Wow, it's pretty gross.
Okay.
Molten.
I had a
Oh,
hair
You
in
know,
my
I've
mouth.
never seen that movie, but I can
Oh.
quote it.
Well,
Would you like to borrow
that
it?
was actually the best part.
Borrow what?
Deliverance.
Oh, no, thank you. Oh, whose is this?
Grant.
Water costs over that. Oh, look at
Grant.
Send.
Oh, there you go. So
There's
who
only
wants
3 of them. I
to?
don't know where the other one is.
What are we
Yeah, it
doing?
broke.
Well, no, but there's another one that was holding on that power
Oh,
steering
it's fine.
pump. Yeah, it's
All right.
Okay, so who wants to take a head off?
Don't
I
everyone
broke one
jump.
thing already, so I think I'm out of the running.
No, you're fine. You're not going to break a head bolt.
No.
Head
This,
bolts don't get
Seven-year-old.
broken.
this is why we have the Ugga Dugga.
Yeah.
So,
This is why we have the Ugga Dugga.
All there
oh,
is.
these?
Yeah.
Oh, you touched something dirty. Anyway, I touch myself all the time.
I was like, really? You're talking to the
How
wrong guy
often do
about
you take
dirty.
a shower?
so I can hose off.
Wow, that was loose. Did you see that?
That was great.
That's all, and this is all there is to it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 aside. A total
And watch your
of 20.
Do we
toesies.
put, does it matter
Now.
which side's which, or on these?
What I want you to do is take all of these out with the exception of this one.
Leave one.
Leave this one, and then we'll put somebody in charge of lifting this head off, because it should lift off pretty easily. If not, we'll whap it a couple of times, and it'll come off. So who wants to do it?
Who wants to play with the Ugga Dugga?
I'll take 2 off.
Ugga Dugga time.
Don't break it!
Just knocked out.
No, this one.
Which one?
Okay, I got it.
This
There's a
one.
headbolt
Actually,
back.
you know what? There is more. Look at that.
Yeah,
There's
there
bolts,
is.
bolts down there. I forgot all about
There's
those.
bonus ones.
Yeah, we gotta do those. Leave that one there, but take those off.
Should we turn this more so it's up and you can see it?
It'll be fine. You will get wet.
See?
I'm just trying to scare them, Chuck. Whoa!
Wasn't on.
We can put the light over here.
Oh, yeah, good idea. Put the tree lights.
Well, let's take a look. Let's take a look.